The Long Island Indo-American Lions Club celebrated its third annual gala dinner on June 30th, 2024 at Pearl Banquet in Hicksville, New York. The event saw attendance from dignitaries of Lions Club International District, renowned community leaders and honorees. Indu Gajwani, founder and president of the club, welcomed the guests. Vice President Anju Sharma introduced gala chair Kanak Golia, who expressed gratitude to all attendees. Highlights included a video showcasing Lions Club projects under President Shyam Gajwani's leadership and the recognition of individuals and honorees with the prestigious Melvin Jones Award. Take a look.
I'm Shyam Gajwani, a president of Long Island Indo-American Lions Club. Today we are having the third annual gala to raise the funds for charities in USA as well as in India. And I appreciate for you people coming and supporting the Lions Club. And please continue. And we are exhibiting whatever projects we have completed so far. And then we are planning to more than that. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you.
My name is Kanak Golia. I am the gala chair and Senior Vice President of Lions Club International. This is the third gala we are doing. As a chair, I just want to invite everybody. Everybody came here. I welcome everybody. Thanks for coming. Tonight, we gathered here for our achievements, honor our dedicated members, and raise funds for humanitarian efforts. We are proud to serve and make a difference in the lives of others. This is the goal of Lions Club. Our club is just 4 years old, but we are number one in our district, 20K2, with the highest member, maximum charter members, a big community projects, charity projects, like we did eyeglasses collection, food drive, bag papers and school supplies, donation for cancer care, blankets for blanket donation, hygiene projects. So we are doing community services but also we are very big in charity. We always focus on charity, and this is the service we do to the whole community. And our president, Shyam Gajwani, and other executives, Sanjuji, Anjuji, and Samit, all the executives and gala chairs, co-chairs. I just want to thank for them for helping us to make this gala successful. Thank you again. Thanks.
Namaskar to the audience of ITV Gold. This is Sanju Sharma. I'm secretary of the Long Island Indo-American Lions Club. Today we are having gala to celebrate the projects, the charitable projects we did to reach out the community and to help out. Our club is dedicated to do the projects for the needy families, like backpack and school supplies. We do glasses collections for under Vision for All, and then blankets donation under Spread the Warmth, and we also do food drive.
Hello ITV viewers, this is Indu Gajwani. I'm a founder president of Long Island Indo-American Lions Club, and just the thought came in my mind. I was looking at my mother when I was a small kid, that she was doing a lot of social work and community services. That puts me a thought that when the God has given me so many things, I should return to the community. And that's why we started 5 years ago, this club. And we did a lot of projects with the school packs, giving to the poor kids, and going to India, doing the eye surgery and making bathrooms and water for the school kids where they don't have a bathrooms, and even the roof, they don't have it. So we tried to build up, and we went and did the cataract surgery for 300 people. And we are still doing the same thing. We have kids, we give them the money to study, and we gave in pandemic like 100 family for a whole year the food for them. we give the blankets to the veterans, and we try to do whatever we can for the community, and we hope to get the support from the community. We have a lot of honorees today, and we are really thankful to our sponsors and honorees with whose help we were able to do all the projects. Thank you, ITV viewers, and wish them all the good luck. Thank you.
ITV के व्यूअर्स को अंजू शर्मा का नमस्कार। हम आज यहाँ पर्ल में लॉन्ग आइलैंड इंडो अमेरिकन लायंस क्लब के एनुअल फंड रेजर गाला के लिए इकट्ठे हुए हैं। ये क्लब 5 साल पहले फाउंड किया था इंदु गिजवानी के द्वारा, और पिछले 5 साल से हम लोगों ने बहुत से ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं जो अंडर प्रिविलेज लोग हैं, ताकि उन तक मदद पहुंचाई जा सके कि हम इतना कुछ परमात्मा ने हम लोगों को सामर्थ्य दिया है तो उसका कुछ हिस्सा हम समाज को किसी भी रूप में वापस कर सके। इसी को ध्येय में रखकर ये क्लब बनाया गया था, और आज इस क्लब को 5 साल हो गए हैं। आज इसका गाला है, और इस गाला में जिन लोगों ने हमें प्रोत्साहित किया है, हमारे स्पॉन्सर्स हैं, और हमारे जो प्रेसिडेंट हैं श्याम गजवानी हैं इस साल, और उनकी लीडरशिप में बहुत से प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं। स्कूल बैकपैक किया है, फूड प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, और उसके साथ साथ हमने जो हाइजीन प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, जिन घरों तक हाइजीन की जिन लोगों तक नहीं पहुंचती है, कैंसर अवेयरनेस के लिए सेमिनार्स किए हैं, हेल्थ फेयर्स किए हैं, और उसी को लेकर हम इसी तरह आगे चलते रहेंगे। और सुनने वालों को मेरा अनुरोध है और एक प्रार्थना है कि कृपया हमारे इस क्लब का हिस्सा बनिए, लॉन्ग आइलैंड इंडो अमेरिकन लायंस क्लब, और बढ़ चढ़कर अपना प्रोत्साहन दीजिए ताकि जो अंडर प्रिविलेज लोग हैं उनकी मदद की जा सके। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
Good afternoon. I am Dr. Atluri. I'm a gastroenterologist. I'm proud to be honored by the Long Island Lions Club of Indian origin. This organization does a lot of good social work throughout the year, and I wish and I like all the organizations which help the society. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Narendra Kapoor. I am one of the new member of this Lions Club. It's a beautiful concept to run this club and doing these services for the humanity. Lot of needy people come into our contact, and periodically we continue to provide blankets and foods and other things. And at the top of that, this particular club, the leadership is very profound. Shyam, I know him personally, and other members. It's very unique in by itself. The finest point which I want to mention about this club is that the elite members are already involved in a lot of community projects, and I am proud to be a part of that community. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Harish Thakkar. I'm here in a very good event for Long Island Indo-American Lions Club. I'm here to support our best friend, family friend, Mr. Karna Golia is going to honor. It's a wonderful evening. I see a lot of familiar faces, and I wish him the best and congratulations to him. And thank you, the organizer, for organizing this wonderful event. Thank you.
My name is Pradeep Tandon, and I am the president of India Association of Long Island, also a member of Long Island Indo-American Lions Club. I am happy to be here at their annual fundraising event, and we will be having ours also. So India Association is having its own gala on 13th October. So all the viewers are invited, members are invited. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Dr. Jagdish Gupta. I am the current president of Association of Indians in America. I'm very happy to be here at Long Island Indo-American Lions Club on their 3rd annual gala. It's a community need which has been going on for a long time, and we are so happy to be a part of it. I'm wishing Shyam Gajwani, Indu Gajwani, Kanak Golia ji and the entire team a very happy evening. Congratulations for having so many of our community members here together, and we are always thankful to our Parikh Media for doing a wonderful job covering all our community affairs. Thank you again, Sudhir Bhai. I love you, and we all respect you and grateful to you. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Indo-American Lions Club, as immediate past president, I want to welcome you all, and I want you all, community, to thank you for your support. Lions Club is doing wonderful work for last 4 years in New York and all over the world. We are doing wonderful, and it is a community effort. We are raising money and supporting our veterans, school kids, the people who are blind. These are the three focus. We have worked on it, and we have achieved a lot. And thanks to all the donees, people who have donated money, and people who come and volunteer, we want to thank them all. And kind thanks to our viewers who are doing wonderful work. Thank you on behalf of Indian community.
Thank you.
Congratulations on your year. And congratulations again to the Indo-American Lions Club for another successful year.
I'm very happy to be here and watching all of these wonderful people who love to serve. And thank you for having me.
Hi, my name is Douglas Alexander from Brooklyn, New York, USA, and I served as the international president of Lions Clubs International, the world's largest service organization. I was the 2021-2022 president, known as the COVID president because we were dealing with COVID. But you know, Lions still found ways to serve our communities. We provided the much needed PPE for the workers in the hospitals. We provided meals for the needy and the senior citizens. We continue to serve to make a difference in our community. Our motto as Lions is simply we serve. We look for that opportunity to make a difference. It's a pleasure to be here this evening to celebrate those who have supported our foundation, which is the grant giving arm of our association. Where there's a need, there's a lion. When disaster strikes, our foundation is there. And we are so pleased to be here to recognize those who have stepped forward to make large contributions to our foundation. Thank you.